Hazardous chemicals leaked into our soil. The Environmental Protection Agency now warning of a potential danger at a local recycling plant. TAV Holdings sits directly behind Crawford Middle School near Hapeville.
And the EPA says it found high levels of lead in soil samples taken near the facility. CBS 46 is live tonight demanding answers ahead of a community meeting later. Jamie.
Yeah, good evening, Rick. Families I spoke to in the area that are neighbours of this facility say they are very concerned with this situation and tell me that their children play in areas that the EPA says is contaminated.
We need to be aware, because they're not talking about it. I ain't heard nothing about it.
That was the response I got from father of four, Michael Hornsby, when I asked him about what he knew about the EPA's investigation into hazardous material found only a couple of 100 feet away from his house.
Ain't knocked on the door, no letters, no nothing.
The facility, TAV Holdings, takes scrap materials and breaks it down to extract various metals such as copper. The EPA says it has visited the facility on numerous occasions, inspecting conditions there, and has taken several soil samples from nearby locations, in some cases finding lead 13 times higher than what is considered safe, and says could present an imminent and substantial danger to human health and the environment. Crawford Long Middle School is directly behind the facility, and so far no lead has been found in soil samples on school grounds. The EPA says its investigation did find that the creek that runs between TAV Holdings and the middle school has been contaminated by the facility, the same creek that runs behind Hornsby's house that his children play in.
You know, my kids play in the yard. They go back there sometimes, you know, so I'm very concerned. But yeah, they play in the water.
He's also worried after his son recently fell sick. He says the hospital is still trying to find out what caused the illness.
He just popped up and got sick. So we don't know where they were, took him to the hospital. It's not COVID.
Really?
So that can be the reason.
A TAV spokesperson told me that they have been in talks with the EPA. They say that they are complying with them and that they will continue to talk with them about any further requirements necessary. Live in Atlanta, Jamie Kennedy, CBS 46 News.